Hi guys, welcome back. This is our second part of our break apart lesson. Now this I kind of consider to be an enrichment because I want you guys to be doing most of the thinking for these problems. Remember, you need paper and a pencil. And if you still need to get those things, just go ahead and pause the video and come back and you can get started with me. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to show you something, all right? And I want you to try to figure out what is happening. Okay? So there's the problem there, all right? All right, so take a look at that, okay? And now I'm going to show you another one. Oops, I don't like how I lined that up. Let me fix that. Draw a little line through that. I'd rather it be like this. Let's go. And remember, in math, it's always okay to go back and fix your mistakes. Even if you're talking about what you're doing in math, you find you made a mistake, it is okay for you to go back and fix what you did or what you said. Just a little note like that lets you know. Okay, so I'm going to put a problem on here and I want you to see if you can do it using the same method that I did here. Okay, and so here's our new one. And as soon as you're ready, you get to pause the video and try it on your own. Okay. All right, for those of you who need a little bit of an explanation for this one, okay, I'm going to come back to this one and we're going to do that one again in a minute together, or maybe I'll pause and I'll let some of you try it after I've talked about it. So in the method that we used earlier today, we were, let me pull, I've got some papers here for it, we were stretching out the number. Expanding it is another way to say it. Okay, stretching it out. All right, so here's the one that we were doing today. Okay, and we were moving across the side of the page. Look what we're doing here. I'm gonna take that 400 and that 100 and we're gonna write it right here. We're gonna take that 210 and that 5 tens and we're gonna put it here. 2 tens and 5 tens gives me 70. And 2 ones and 6 ones gives me 8. Now all I have to do is add it down. 8, 7, 5. No reason to need to regroup for those. All right, let's go back over here to this one. Same idea. 200, 600, 800. 3 tens, 5 tens, or 30 and 50, 80. 3 ones, 5 ones, 8. Adding it up and down. All right. So for those of you who did not complete this one before, pause it. Go back and try it, and I want to do it for you, okay? All right, so let's look at that again. This and this, we got 700. This and this. 8 tens, 2 tens is going to give us 100. 4 ones and 5 ones is going to give us 9. And now look at that. Up and down, we can just add 0 and 0, and 9 is 9. 0 and 0 is 0. 8 and 1, oh, sorry, 7 and 1 is 8. Okay? The review over here, that's what we did. 0, 0, 8, 0, 7, 7, 5, up and down, 8, 8, and 8. Okay? All right, now we're going to try one that is, let's say it might be a little bit more difficult. All right, but the same exact idea. Okay, I wouldn't say difficult, I'll say it makes you think a little bit, all right? Let's do 764 plus 269, okay? All right, so we're gonna add those hundreds, put it underneath, make 700. 6 tens and 6 tens, so let's think about it. 6 plus 6 gives me 12, okay? So 6 tens plus another 6 tens is going to give me 12 tens which is equal to, am I running out of space there? Which is equal to 120, okay? Or you can think of it this way, 6, 6, you've got a 12, and add that extra 0 on it, okay? And so, moving back over here, 6 tens and 6 tens, so 60 and 60, it's gonna give me 120. I like to go with the 9 down here, 9 ones and 4 ones, and remember, want to be thinking about breaking that apart, okay? So 9, take 1 from the 4, will give us 10, plus 3 more will give us 13. All right, just a strategy to think about. You can solve that any way you wanted. You could start at the 9 and count up to the 4 if you wanted to, okay? And now all we have to do is add these, 3, 3, and 8, okay? If you see on that one, a little bit more difficult because we couldn't just stick the number down here. We had to add it on there. All right, so just something to think about. Now, the assignment that you're doing for today in math really is about expanding it like this. It's also nice to think of it, break apart in a different way, like we did on here. All right, guys, have a great day. Remember, you need to either print the paper, the sheet that's going to have 4 problems on it and space at the bottom. You need to be using this strategy to solve them, okay? And keep in mind, it's not just how you're getting the answer. We'll see the correct answer at the top, but your teachers want to see how you're using this strategy. It's showing how you're thinking about numbers, okay? Please make sure that you upload it to your teacher, okay? All right, guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.